Welcome to Whimsical Collage Menorah, an art workshop from the Jewish Museum. This workshop will help guide you in making different types of collages inspired by artworks in the Jewish Museum's collection. Though it looks nothing like a traditional Hanukkah, Peter Shire's Hanukkah lamp, titled Menorah No. 7 from 1984, still has all the parts a traditional Hanukkah or Hanukkah lamp needs. Whether simple or elaborate, all Hanukkah lamps have 9 places for candles. Let's take another look at Peter Shire's work. As you can see, amidst all the fun colors and shapes, you can still find all the spots for candles that the traditional Hanukkah lamp would need. Taking inspiration from this fun, colorful object, we're inviting you to make 2 different types of collages to make Hanukkah lamps or Chanukiot of your own, using objects, shapes, and colors that we find around the house. These can be used as holiday cards to send to friends and families, either online or through the mail.